Walking in a winter wonderland. In the meadow with the bells snowman. Oh yeah. We'll pretend that he's Parson Brown that we made. Walking in a winter wonderland. Oh! Kijk hoe lang man aan mijn telefoon zit. Hello. Walking in the winter wonderland. Come on. Go. Walking.
Meow. 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 Meow.
Guys, over here. Where's your arms up? Good boy. What about your big tongue? Where's that big tongue? It's in there. Good boy. Hi, I'm Trish. Welcome to the Parrot package. We breed, hand raise and bring up birds for the pet industry. Some people aren't aware of what birds are all about until they've owned one. And believe me, when you've got guys like this, it's incredible what they learn and what they get used to in your home. The green quaker parrots. These are birds that people then normally get for Christmas presents because that's when the babies are ready. Now here we've got the red duskies.
Oh, they're just beautiful. They're just so gorgeous.
The next one we've got the cinnamon rainbow.
Oh, he's beautiful. Gorgeous colour.
My favourite. And birds that we do breed ourselves. Our responsibilities are to keep the birds well fed, so their interest of breeding stays within us for a couple of months. We're all about hand raising birds with people's pets. They're raised from 2 weeks onwards and they're spoon fed right up until the time that they're full feathered, they can perch, they're eating food on their own.
Coming down.
Yes.
You're right. Yes, you're awfully pretty. Pretty. You pose. That's cute.